Tabby and I'm very new online. I like to go to Poundland. They show me a good time. They have so many bargains that I could fill a van. Cushions, marble cutlery, lime green thong for a man. I went in on the weekend to show them some affection and they just blew my mind. They now have a clothing section. I shook my head in disgust at stuff that was more than £1, but I persevered, embraced the changes and had a nosy around. So sit yourself down comfortably and grab yourself a brew. Welcome to my Poundland haul. I'll show what I got to you. Zoflora anti-bac that smells like the soul of spring. Exciting dishwasher freshener with added lemon zing. Sensible paracetamol to take care of your health. Barney bears for the baby, but I'll eat them myself. Oh yes, designer rubber gloves to make you look real slick. Far too many jelly sweets that gonna make me feel sick. Snap pop beans from Heinz, guaranteed to make you fart. 24 pack of napkins that are shaped like a heart. Apple Zoflora that was not £1 but £2. An alternative to water wipes for cleaning up piles of poo. Delicious meaty dog treats to train the dog not to hump. Treats from Thornton's to grow my food baby bump. Stuff for posh tea parties I'll never throw because I'm friendless. Cellulose sponge cloths. The possibilities are endless. Books about Pepper, a pig we'd rather was turned to ham. More Zoflora disinfectant so I could smell like my gran. Pump action hand soap that comes with a free squidgy squid. Berry burst fragrance smells delightful for £1. Moisturising baby bath for babies' ablutions. Dettol wipes that smell like fruit for all your cleaning solutions. 2 pack of sparkly gift bags for gifts you'll never get round to buy. And Pro Liquid eyeliner for that perfect pound shop eye. That's all I have today, but they're bargains, you must agree. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of me. Get yourself to Poundland. Amazing bargains every day. There is never a Poundland very far away.